Hello guys, so today we're gonna show you how to duplicate the items in Canva, either files or images or and everything else. So let's begin. Let's create some template. Let's go social media. Let's select, for example, okay, Instagram story. Everybody likes to create them. And let's select some template which we want to use. So all right, let's use some jogging. All right, that looks nice. Customize this template. After your window is opening, you can start designing. Here in the right side, you have here some images, some elements, some text, some branding, uploads, draw, projects, and stuff like that. So what you want to do, if you want to copy this picture, one way, it's longer one, you press left mouse button and you press copy or duplicate, and it's straight away you have it here. Or you can press the image and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and straight away you have the image. All right, let's say you finish the project, everything is done, everything is smooth, but you want to tinker something, but you don't want to mess up this design. So let's go back to our home page, and you can see we have it here, and we want to make a copy. So we press here and we make a copy. So that's how you have duplicate of same project, same copy of the product. You open it, and as you can see, it's same project, everything is same spot. So now you know how to do it. I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, please like it. If you like my channel and want to learn more about Canva, please subscribe. See you next time, guys.